That right there is my 2020 Street Glide CVO in this custom CVO color called Sand Dune. And in today's video, I'm going to walk you through my top 6 upgrades for a Harley Davidson Street Glide. Let me give you a nice cold start, and we'll jump right into it. Man, those Chromeworks 2-in-2, they sound absolutely amazing. Alright, so let's jump right in. Top 6 upgrades for your Harley Davidson Street Glide. And I'm actually going to start in the order that I did all the upgrades on my bike. Number 1. First thing I ever did was I put Chromeworks exhaust on the bike. Now, the first ones I did was a set of mufflers. I didn't do it right away because I was breaking in the bike. But immediately after that, I went with the full 2-in-2 Eclipse Chromeworks system that you're hearing right there. And man, it sounds absolutely awesome. So that's number 1. Number 2, I upgraded all of the lights with custom dynamics. And I'm going to show you some B-roll here as I talk through it. But the bike has custom dynamics all the way around. And look, hands down, there just is no competition. I know there are others out there, and it's a matter of taste and preference, but for me, in terms of quality, service, overall, custom dynamics is the way to go, and I have it all the way around on my bike, including these awesome fog lights up there, which I think are an awesome addition, especially if you do any kind of night riding, and even during the day. It acts like it has 2 functions, a daylight running light and a fog light. So that was that's the second upgrade. The third upgrade is a full stage 2 done by none other than Get Lowered. And I'll leave some videos up here that gives you the full breakdown of everything that I use for the stage 2. But this is a Redshift 472 cam. It's got a Trask air cleaner. And combined with that Chromeworks 2-in-2, that's what gives it that amazing sound that you hear right there. So that was the third upgrade that I would very much recommend. And look, in my point of view, if you're looking for dramatic improvement between stock, stage 1, you get the most bang for your buck with a stage 2 compared to a stage 1 or stock. It just wakes up the bike in a way that I can't really explain. And of course, if you know, you know, it's been done hundreds of times. So that's the 4th upgrade that I've done on the bike that I would recommend. The 5th upgrade, you're looking at it. That's this cross risers, 6-inch risers with a 1.5-inch pullback with the Thrashin aggressive bend handlebar. So it puts you out here very aggressive. And as you can tell, I can see my complete info. And man, does this change the feel of the bike overall. I just absolutely love it. I think it looks freaking fantastic. Let me know down in the comments below what you think. So, next upgrade, which I think I'm up to 5, or maybe it's 6. Maybe I'll give you a bonus one. I don't know. I've lost count. seats. What can I tell you? Looks, comfort, durability, customer service. You just cannot beat it. And I've got two. I've got the SDC, the San Diego custom one, which is what I typically use mainly for one-up riding. And then I've got the road sofa with the backrest or without that I use when I ride two of them, or when I have my tour pack on, which is what I have now. And then the last upgrade that I would recommend, and I'm going to combine these two just so I can keep it to at least the top 6 or the top 7, is this Clockworks 6-inch windshield and my Hogworks Shorty fender combined with the Hogworks bag liners and the Hogworks rear rack that I have featured a ton of times on the bike. Those are my top upgrades, and again, mostly in that particular order. I've done many more upgrades to this bike. Hey, you know what? I'm gonna go down that street there. I've never seen that street before. Go check that out. You've got Rizoma mirrors here. You've got highway packs. I mean, look, the list goes on and on. If you've got any questions about the bike, just hit me down in the comments below. Check out this road over here. So yeah, just if you have any questions about the bike overall, hit me down in the comments below. Again, I bought this bike literally at the beginning of the pandemic. Oh, nice road. Look at this. And to me, again, in that order, which of course is completely subjective, that's what I would recommend as your top 6, top 7 upgrades on your Harley Davidson Street Glide. CVO or regular, you name it, I'd still recommend those.